Getting you a first alert weather update. Scott Padgett, for those wondering if it's over, because not much is happening right now. That'd be a hard no, right?
It would definitely a hard no, as we have more upper level energy on the way. And can someone find a scraper for the Fort Worth Skycam? Or a lot of our Skycams, don't go up there and try to do it. But this is what it looks like outside, or trying to look outside right now with 22-degree temperatures. That's not going to melt anytime soon. So tonight through Thursday, this is what we're thinking in the First Alert Weather Center. A small lull, the precipitation through our evening hours. That changes after midnight. We have freezing rain and the sleet kind of coverage ramping up across North Texas. More travel concerns after midnight and through that Thursday morning commute. So if you don't have to be on the roads, please don't. We're going to have a lot of issues. And then we have slight improvement on the roads for Thursday afternoon and then refreezing again by Friday morning. So let's look at the radar right now. And you can see not a whole lot happening across a lot of the Metroplex. Maybe a little bit of drizzle out there, a little bit more organized freezing rain down through parts of Henderson County, also into Navarro County, lifting its way from the southwest to the northeast. On that wider view, you notice there's that lull that's happening for us. But look at what we saw this morning. That storm system, that's wave number 1, is continuing to push its way through parts of Arkansas, Missouri, and then into Illinois. We have wave number 2 on the way after midnight. The temperatures, they're cold right now. We're at 24 at DFW, 22 in Denton, 20 in Decatur, 25 in Rockwell, widening out the view, 19 right now in Bowie to 27 in Terrell. All of North Texas right now below the freezing mark. And I don't expect us to really warm up as we go into the evening hours. So your hour-by-hour forecast shows we have temperatures holding in the mid-20s. Our precip chances really increasing after midnight. That feels like temperature in the teens. So, Aaron, with temperatures not above the freezing mark and that second round moving in, we have some problems on the way.
Right, and it's the reason why there's a winter storm warning in place for the Metroplex through 6 o'clock in the evening tomorrow. Winter weather advisory for the areas that you see highlighted in purple here, but really the issues, not just the freezing temperatures, but the icy road conditions that we're going to be dealing with. Now, we're kind of in that low period. Yes, we've got a little bit of that freezing rain, that more organized freezing rain ongoing for some of our southeastern counties, but as we look towards 10:45, 11 o'clock tonight, it's very spotty. Coverage is really only at about 20 to 30%, and even what you're seeing, not all of this is actually reaching the ground. But the temperatures are well below freezing. They're going to stay that way overnight. And then here we go. After midnight, we get that second wave, that energy to move in. And we've got all of this very, very cold air here at the surface. So this is where we're seeing the freezing rain, the freezing drizzle, and we're having those slick spots on the roads, maybe even some surface roads as well, especially for some of our Red River counties. Definitely expect those slick spots on the elevated surfaces, the bridges and the overpasses, what we really already saw earlier today, just really worse as we get overnight, kind of that midnight to 7 a.m. time frame. But once we get past midday, we should start to see this tapering off kind of from the northwest to the southeast. So we get to 4:30 in the afternoon, maybe some of that rain south and east of the Metroplex, but a little bit of a clearing as we get into that evening time frame, Scott.
And that little bit of clearing is definitely something that we need to help melt a lot of what's going to be accumulating. So what are we talking about as far as accumulations are concerned? Now, today we had that freezing drizzle on those elevated surfaces, the bridges and the overpasses. But you can see there's the potential through parts of the Metroplex up to a 1/4 inch of ice accumulation, maybe up through the northeast sides of Collin County to near parts of Grayson County, up to a 1/2 inch, which is just very dangerous. Could have some power issues with that. The 7-day forecast shows, yes, we're refreezing by Friday morning. We're back up above the freezing mark Friday afternoon. 43 Saturday with another round of think just cold rain on the way. Sunday, your better weekend day, mostly sunny skies. Then as you take a look, we go into the low 70s into next week. By next Wednesday, boy, are we thawing out. You're watching CBS 11 News on this First Alert Weather Day. We'll be right back.